everyone, it is your boy Rich. Thank you for tuning in to another video, man. I know I haven't been as consistent, but trying to get back on the, the swing of things, and pretty soon we'll get really back on track. So like I said in previous video, we're gonna be going to Fcautolab. Falcon's gonna be helping me out, fix my exhaust again, because he fixed it previously when it like basically split in half, but I'm dealing with more leaking and pinholes and shit like that. Yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. Just want to give you guys a quick intro, start the car up and head out. I'll catch you guys maybe a little on the road, then at the shop. So peace, see ya then. Super bright out. It is super bright out. I'm sorry guys. As you can tell, we in the Whippington. Oh, it seems like it's gonna be another hot day, good old Florida. Hopefully the rain holds off and shit. I don't get caught in any rain because I don't got any fender well guards. It's definitely needed in Florida. I just haven't been driving the car that much, so yeah. Waiting for it to get in the car, then we gonna go. Check engine lights, autumn lights. It's fucking Christmas, y'all.
Shit is really real out here. I said shit is really real out here. It ain't easy, and I got it down there in the dream, know what that mean? And I gotta get my heart off the sing. I'm screaming, praying, who fuck up?
Alright y'all, so as you can tell, we're pulling in. We're at Fcautolab in Tampa, Florida. If you guys want to check them out, go on all social medias. We help them out on some videos and content photos and all that. So check them out. They're in Tampa. They basically do it all, man. If you guys check out the videos, they do custom fabrication, body work, painting, vinyl wrap, like the Tesla that's over there. They do everything, man. Yeah, he's gonna help me with my exhaust, Mr. Falcon, Mr. Falcon Creation himself. Thank you for taking your time out of your day on your Saturday morning to help me out and hopefully make my car sound better again. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around in a second. So you guys can see the beauty. She alright, she alright. She's like a good 10-footer or something. Like a good 10-footer, but this is the Tesla I was talking about. I don't have my CPL filter on, so you guys see like all the glaring and stuff. I can't take that out because my CPL filter cracked and I haven't been able to buy another one yet. I recently wrapped this, which looks pretty dope. Show you guys a little bit, just a little vloggy vlog. What are those? What are those? Amazon.
What are those? Look at my chocolate!
See, they even work on just regular dailies. It doesn't have to be something, crazy exotic. But they do it all, and they can help your problems. They can find a solution for you. It might be a little loud, guys, and copyright. So I gotta talk like real loud and close so you guys can hear me, no copyright. The fan's going. We're trying to cool it down because there is a pinhole right there. Instead of maybe taking off the whole header to do it, I think Falcon might be able to get it right there. So trying to do that so we don't have to do the most. We were gonna add a flex pipe, but I don't think we necessarily need to. It's been fine, it's just other things like my res. So I'll talk to you guys more later. But yeah, thank you so much, Falcon, for hooking your boy up as usual, treating me right, and fixing up my problems. Definitely sounds a lot more quieter and better, not as fart can-ish right as the start. Car's feeling much better. Definitely like, I feel like it's just my setup in general, like giving that little weird noise, especially lower RPM, so it's whatever. We're gonna make do until we get the breads and we can do more.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see,